What's up guys, Chris here for GQ37. Today I am removing the crossbars here on my QX70 or FX37. This is the second gen. I'm not removing the whole roof rack today. If you're interested in that, I did a separate video on that on my first gen FX last year. So you can click in the upper right corner of your screen if you want to see how to remove the whole roof rack. Not a big fan of that. I think we're just conditioned to seeing them with the roof rack, so they look a little funny. But nevertheless, I think they do look better without the crossbars, and I'm finally getting around to doing that. So jumping into it, I'm using a number 27 Torx bit on this little star bit, and it's as simple as just unscrewing it there. So you'll notice I have some microfiber towels just in case you slip. You don't want to scratch up your roof. Alright, so, and I recommend just loosening them on all four sides before you take it all the way out. That way it doesn't fall prematurely before you're ready for it. So that's it, guys. It's just these Torx bit bolts that are holding it on. So so take that out in all four corners and you'll be good to go. All right. Last step is I just recommend putting your bolts back in after you're done. One, it'll keep water out, and two, you'll know where they are if you ever decide to put them back on. So that's my tip for today. Hopefully that helps somebody. Thanks so much for watching.